In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to manage devices on Amazon Prime Video. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, head over to the official website of Amazon Prime Video, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this kind of page. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right corner, then navigate to the option Accounts and Settings. Now here you're going to find different tab. Head over to the tab Devices. Here you will see a list of all the devices currently registered to your Amazon account for Prime Video, including smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, streaming devices, and computers. Review the list carefully to identify the devices that are connected to your account. If you see a device that you no longer use or don't recognize, select it and choose Sign Out. Confirm your choice when prompted. And that's it. By following the same steps, you are able to sign out other devices as well. So this is how you can easily manage devices on Amazon Prime Video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.